this is the back camera here. I installed a box, an outdoor enclosed box, a waterproof box there to hold the connections, because this camera has a lot of extra functions and features, so it has quite a few extra connections on it, which is hard to get through the wall. It has alarm ins and outs, it has audio in and out, etc. So that's why I put the outdoor box on this one. I'll just show you what the look, where the camera's looking at. So that's the view of the camera. It's pointing towards that gate. The customer wants to cover all gates around the property and building here. So we have this gate and of course the other two gates. So this is one of the side cameras that's capturing one of the gates. So we have that camera there. So there's a wide view with the camera installed on the wall, and here's the gate here that the client wanted to capture. There's the other camera there. It's the sun's starting to set here, so we got a big shadow there, but there's the camera installed on the wall there. This is the other side gate, so we can see the gate here, and we are capturing some of the parking lot with this camera, and then of course that entrance onto the property there. And there's the other camera. That's the fourth camera that is covering the parking lot, so it's shooting straight out to try and capture as much of the parking lot as possible. So I'll show you the view of the parking lot. So there's the parking lot. I mean, it's a fairly large parking lot to try and capture with one camera, but the client did get a larger network video recorder, so we can expand and add more cameras. You probably need about 3 to get at least on the building here to get good coverage of the lot, but I'll show you inside how it looks on the NVR. So there's our NVR there. Our NVR, it's an 8-channel NVR, records in 1080p and 30 frames per second per camera, for a total of 240 frames per second. It also has an 8-port PoE switch, which is nice. You don't have to install an extra switch. If you have PoE cameras, you can just plug them all right into the back of the NVR. Ran our cabling, strapped it down, everything's connected to the NVR. The client has their whole server set up with all their switches here. Okay, so there is the 4-screen view. There's all 4 cameras, and I'll show you each view. So there is the camera on the back gate, zoom to capture the back of the building and the back gate there. There's the other. This is one of the side cameras, so it's capturing the side gate, and it's also capturing the entrance from the road. You can see up in the top right corner, but mainly they're just wanting to capture the gate here. There's the other side gate. Again, we're also capturing the entrance from the road there, the laneway. And this is the camera that's facing out onto the parking lot, so it's actually doing a pretty good job at capturing the entire parking lot. The 2 gate cameras and the parking lot camera are just wide angle 3.6mm 1080p network cameras, and then the one on the back gate is a zoom camera, so it's a 3.3 to 12mm, and we've locked it all the way in at 12mm, so it's zoomed to the gate.